Welcome back, it's Olga again, and in this video, we're going to dive into engine behind Zibble, and I'm also going to show you how Zibble works. Zibble is based on persona-driven AI that simulates how specific audiences reason. It's customer-specific, it's context-aware, and it uses persistent memory. Persona-driven AI runs on neural synthesis engine, which consists of 10 main layers, but I'm going to show you 5 main steps so that you have an idea how it really works. First, we start with the data input. When we create the persona, you can input the data from your previous quantitative research if you did the segmentation study. You can even input your data from Google Analytics or any other source of information that allows you to define who is your target persona. Who are you trying to target with your marketing? Then neural synthesis engine processes the variables that feed into your persona profile. Think of it as a regression model that predicts the reaction, the behavior of your target audience in the market based on 150 variables that define where they shop, what they consume, what are their pain points, and so on and so on. It's like predicting their purchase intent based on the previous exposure to their advertising, but way more complex. Think of the model that consists of billions of data points. Then the next step is prediction. Based on the model, based on the mathematical model, you can simulate the outcome with high precision. The next step is validation or feedback, making sure that the model actually uses real-world results and validates the logic of the response. And finally, refinement. The system updates its cognitive model, meaning that the model is also learning from your inputs, from the conversation that you're having with the model. So everything what you ever tested with the persona, all the products and concepts and website ideas that you ever showed to persona is also learning from it. So that you could have a continuous and intelligent conversation with your persona. Think of it as a respondent that never gets tired, always remembers all the conversation, and always happy to talk with you and give you feedback about your next idea. And not moody, not tired, always ready. Each persona remembers what you talked about it before. Each persona is predefined by more than 150 variables, which anthropological research proved to predict reactions and behavior in market. It uses persistent memory. Again, you don't need to reload the persona every time you talk to them. You store them in your beautiful user interface. You can talk to your Labs user, to your loyalist, to your Walmart shopper, or your premium shopper. You can create a decision maker, or you can create your competitive loyalist. And you can test all your decisions, all your concepts, pricing ideas, packaging ideas with each one of them so that you could find out where friction happens, which persona is receiving your idea, understands your idea, and which persona is experiencing friction. You can also go into each persona and make sure that all of the variables are meeting your expectations. Everything is very easy to edit. There's 3 different ways to create the persona. I'm going to show it to you next.